quick disclaimer before I start the video. But I mean, I already opened it. Everything's already filmed. But there's some really bad fangirling, and my sick voice is not making it any better. So watch at your own risk. Hey guys, it's your Congo here today. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Sue's Dumpster. Today I have a special package from Domenica Chan. I got the mail today and I was like, what the heck is this? Because I was totally not expecting a package, and this came and I was like, what? And I'm like, oh gosh, we're gonna have to film this. So here we go. This is from Domenica Chan. She's super awesome. She is freaking amazing at drawing chibis. Everything's super cute. I'll link her channel in the description box below, so you make sure to go check her out. So anyways, let's get started, and I'm going to actually cut this off screen because I'm going to have a bad time with that. Okay. And I get everything. Is this everything? Oh, something squishy. Oh, yeah, that's everything. Also, sorry if my voice sounds really weird. I'm like sick and I have like a stuffy nose, and so my voice sounds really weird. So is there a note? This is the note. Note! Ah, what a cute face. Merry Christmas, Sue. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you like the stuff in this package. Love, Domenica. Oh, and it's super cute stationery. If you guys haven't noticed yet, I'm a sucker for cute stationery, so yeah. Anyways, ooh, number one. You know what? I'm gonna actually, so number one, bonus, open last. Okay, there we go. Number one. Yeah. Okay. Oh gosh, it's packed with washi. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, is this? Ah, it's a cat! Oh my gosh, it's a kitty! Oh, my sick voice is not making this video sound better. But oh my god, it's a kitty! Domenica, you gave me a cat. How did you know I like cats? What? How did you know my secrets? Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Did you make it yourself? Because wow. That looks really cool. This is definitely like just going somewhere because it's so cute. I'm gonna name you. I don't know what to name him. I'm gonna name him. I'll tell you when I name him, Domenica. I'll tell you. I will have to. I don't know. I don't know what to name him yet. Okay. Alright. Anyways. Going to number two. Oh no, I'm ripping stuff. I don't want to rip stuff. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna rip it. Is that what? Oh my, did you give me Tum Tum stickers? No way. I'm pretty sure I never told you that I like Tum Tums and stuff. And oh my god. Oh my god, you gave me Tum Tum stickers? Oh my god. Ooh, the tape's pink. I'm getting so distracted. But whoa, oh my gosh. Wait, there we go. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, thank you for these Tum stickers. Oh my gosh. I don't think I ever told you guys, but like I kind of have a weird obsession with Disney characters. But you know, it's Disney though. They're so cute. The peas in a pod. Oh, can anyone guess who I like the best? Because it's actually the Cheshire Cat, or maybe Marie. I just like them because they're cats. Oh my god, these are adorable. Thank you so much. I swear, you have like stickers. You're like the sticker queen. You always give me stickers. I'm like, give me all the stickers because I like stickers. Because who doesn't? Ooh. Gosh. I'm liking the Christmas wrapping paper though. Very Christmas. Okay, and it's it's Helios and Polaris. Oh my god. It's Helios and Polaris. It's Auto Mochi. Oh my god, Domenica, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for drawing characters. Why? Look at them in all their glory. Oh, see, this is what I mean by adorable chibi style. You guys go follow her. Oh my gosh. I gotta show Nahiko this too. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. How do you draw so adorably? Look at all this cuteness. Oh my gosh. too good, too good. Okay. Okay, last thing. I'm kind of like, I'm dying. Domenica, why? Why you gotta do this to me? What did I have ever done to you? Like, I've been such a good person and you just come here and just kill me. I'm so bad at ripping packaging. Oh, it says, it's victory. I was going to say it's a Yuri. I'm like, no, it's not Yuri. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it says bonus. Oh my gosh. You gave me a victory. What is it? Keychain, laminated sheet keychain. Oh, I could actually like use it as an ornament for next year actually. Ooh, that sounds good. Or it's just gonna go on my wall and I'm never gonna take it off because it's so pretty. It's so precious. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay. Oh my god, this was like way more than I was expecting. You did not have to give me this much stuff. You actually didn't have to give me like anything. So like, wow, thank you so much. These are definitely gonna go to some good use. Ooh, how fun. Okay, but anyways, let's recap. Give me a super cute plushie. I'm gonna name it Domenica Jr. That's right, I'm gonna name it Domenica Jr. So say hello to Domenica Jr. because Domenica made it. So yeah. And then cute Tsum stickers. And then adorable art that I'm like never gonna get over because oh my gosh, she makes the best art. And a victory keychain. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Domenica, for sending all of these. You guys, and make sure to go check out her channel. It will be linked in the description box. And I'm so sorry for all this fangirling. I'm gonna have to like put like a disclaimer in the beginning now because my voice is just bad and But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out Domenica and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!